Guys, we just paid a $70,000 assignment fee to these wholesalers. Listen, Lewis here with Joel. Don't forget, if you guys want to collaborate with us, check the links below in the description. Connect with us on social. If you want a JV, if you have some deals you want to bring to us, we're open to it. Don't be shy. Connect with us ASAP. So why in the world did we just pay $70,000? A $70,000 assignment fee to these wholesalers. Joel, please make it make sense.
All right, so I saw these wholesalers presented us with a deal. It was fire damaged, and I saw some meat on the bone. It was in our buy area. It fit our buy box. It was a 3-2. It was like a mini mansion, and I saw meat on the bone there. So I saw it as a perfect wholesale. So we put it under contract, and I want wholesalers to win, right? But we made money. I think wholesalers should have a chance to make like big assignments, and real estate change their lives. So if you guys have a deal, a fire damage deal, bring it to us, connect with us, follow us on YouTube, learn how to get them under contract.
Well said, well said. So listen, I mean, no matter what, whether you're assigning a property, whether you're buying a property yourself, whether it's 700, 7,000, 70,000, make sure you do your own due diligence process, mitigate risk, take calculated risk.
You gotta keep watching to hear the results. They're big. You're gonna be surprised at the results of this deal, for sure.
All right, so don't forget, if you like this video, you wanna see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you wanna see. Let us know if you wanna see part 2, the result of this. And until next time, bring us some deals, let's work together.
Yes,
all right,
sir.
Peace.